Hi, this is Rich Sparks, Keller Williams Realty. Let me tell you about 19105 Candlelight in the beautiful Shadow Woods subdivision of Roseville, Michigan. This house, I guarantee you're going to love it. It has been totally updated, finished basement, built-in pool. Check this out. Fresh paint, new moldings, brand new luxury vinyl planking throughout. Everything is updated, even the doors. This is a move-in ready house. Clean, just absolutely gorgeous. All the bedrooms, very spacious. Here again, every door updated, freshly painted, new flooring. You literally have to do nothing. What do you think about this upgraded granite? This is high-end granite. It's not just a countertop, it is a focal point. In addition, you have the custom tile work, absolutely beautiful, and a gourmet kitchen that anyone that wants to get their cook on is going to love this kitchen. You've got that focal point, upgraded granite countertops, beautiful cabinetry. I mean, these countertops are just, you could just stare at them forever. Right off the kitchen, you have a large family room, really expanding that living. In addition, you have this updated gas fireplace, custom surround, that granite. Then you go right out to the 3 season rooms. Imagine your summers here. You are going to be the mecca for every get-together you can imagine. The second full bath has been totally updated. No surprise there. Custom tile work, beautiful shower, everything new. And the best thing is you're never going to have to wait. Need more space? No worried, I got you covered with this huge finished basement. Beautiful, dry. This can be your man cave, your woman cave, your retreat from the kids, or send the kids to the basement. Whatever you want. Work at home? No problem. Plenty of space. And all you have to do is move in. The backyard with the built-in pool still leaves a lot of greenery in case you have a dog. And once again, this is in the beautiful Shadow Woods subdivision. Don't miss out on this property. My name's Rich Sparks, associate broker, Keller Williams Realty. Call today. Don't miss out. And thank you for watching.